Hello, this is Tom. Today, let's review this vintage Waterman's pen. It's called Waterman 100-year pen, I think. It's a broken one, you see. The end of the barrel is broken. It should have something here. Other than that, this is a good vintage pen. Let's compare its size with this Delta pen. It's a huge one. And this is Mont Blanc 149. So these two pens are the same similar. This is standard size. So we can see this 100-year pen actually is the standard size one, but this part is missing. So now it's a short one. Let's take a closer look at this pen. Okay, let's take a look at this proverb. A chain is only as good as is only as strong as its weakest link. So, as I have said in a previous video, a pen has many components. Each component should be good enough. So for this one, obvious, the barrel is not good. The barrel is not the end of the barrel is totally missing. So it's the weakest component, but so because of this, actually the value of this pen goes down a lot. So, but this pen has a very good nib, So I still like this pen. This is the cap. And it says here it says Waterman's made in USA. And this is a nib. This is quite a big nib. A beautiful one. It also has some words on it. It says emblem, EMBLEM. So this is a very good nib. The ink is Lamis ink, and we can see there are this kind of ring pattern on this barrel. So it works well, and it has a level refill filler, level filler. It takes a lot of ink actually. So. Okay, so this is a vintage one and a broken one, but other than this, this part is missing. This is still a very good pen. Let's have some writing sample. I like this nib. This is called okay here. $100-year fountain pen. The ink is, so the nib is called EMBLEM. Emblem. So this is Lamis ink. Lamis, a kind of blue, okay, but it's not exactly blue, a kind of blue, light blue. Because I haven't used this pen for some time, so the color becomes quite dark. Okay, the usual color is the color on the nib. And let's, as usual, write a proverb. adversity and the loss make a man wise. So loss makes a pain better. Loss makes a pain vintage. Okay, so yeah, a nice proverb and a nice pen. Actually, I think this pen is has some flexibility. This is no pressure, and if I have some pressure, so it has some flexibility, not like this one, not like this Shapes pen, not like this Shapes pen. Both are vintage pens, but this Shapes pen also has a very large nib. Both have a large nib. Shapes one might be a little larger, I don't know. But this one, the nib is flexible. It has some flexibility. This one is very rigid, like a nail. Okay, so both are good pens. Both are good pens. Both are good for writing. This one is also thick, I think. Okay. I use a lot of force now, but little force. Okay. No force. A lot of force. We can see a little change, but not much. Not as this Waterman's pen. Okay, so loss makes a pen vintage. Okay, thanks for watching. This is today's review. Bye bye.